Bitcoin stays below $17,000, Ether trades above $1,100. India's CoinDCX publishes full proof of reserves. Imprisoned Sam Bankman-Fried may relent in extradition fight. Nigeria set to pass bill recognizing Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. $4 billion OneCoin scam co-founder pleads guilty, faces 60 years in jail. Hello and welcome to 3.0 I am Ruchi Sharma. Now let's see how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today. Cryptocurrency markets traded flat to positive in the beginning of the week after recovering from losses due to comments from Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell delivering a 50 basis point short-term interest rate hike and signaled higher for longer rates. Bitcoin dropped below the crucial $17,000 levels while Ethereum slipped below $1,200 level. IC15 index of cryptocurrency were trading up by 0.2% at 24,210 points. Over the past day, the total cryptocurrency market capitalization managed to recover a few millions, but the overall market saw no considerable volatility and volume is drawing up. Some altcoins managed to pull ahead, but the broader sentiment remains fearful. The global cryptocurrency market cap was trading higher, holding $810 billion after gaining marginally in the last 24 hours. The total trading volume increased about 5% to $23.5 billion. The US dollar index, which measures the US dollar against a basket of cryptocurrencies, is currently at 104.10 points. Recession fears mounted as the central bank upped its forecast for future hikes above previous expectations, saying that it now expects to hike rate to 5.1%. A wave of rate hikes and hawkish outlooks from central banks across the globe, including the European Central Bank, have further bruised investor sentiment. Stock futures rose after the major averages posted their second straight week of losses for the first time since September. Investors also struggled to shake off recession fears. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average gained 129 points or 0.4%, while S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100 futures advanced 0.5% and 0.6% respectively. Bitcoin was trading at $16,765, up 0.3%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up by 0.4%, trading at $1,186. BNB was up 0.5% to trade at $248. Shiba Inu was trading up by 2.7%. This week, the Shiba Inu token gained against its main sector rival, DogeCoin. This was the second week in a row that SHIB rose against Doge with a total gain of 24%. The timer was interrupted by crypto enthusiasts as a signal for the release of Shibarium, Shiba Inu's own Layer 2 solution. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $12, higher 1.2%. Solana SOL was down 0.3% and was trading at $12. Cardano's ADA token was down by 0.6% to trade at $0.26. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 2.5% at $0.078. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.34, down by 2.5%. Polygon Matic was trading down by 3% to trade at $0.81. Polkadot was down by 0.8% to trade at $4.6. And now back to the headlines. Cryptocurrency exchange CoinDCX, India's first crypto unicorn, published its complete proof of reserve on Monday, detailing its USDT liabilities and reserves. CoinDCX has about $155 million of liabilities in USDT and over $157 million of total reserves also in USDT as of December 15th. Its POR report, published with crypto research firm CoinGumper, is available to the public. The balance has been certified by statutory auditor SGCO and Company LLP Chartered Accountants as per the format prescribed by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. The exchange said in a statement, adding that it has 1:1 assets backing and no fractional reserve operations. CoinDCX plans to publish its POR on a quarterly basis and is in the process of launching a live dashboard to show its reserves and liabilities in real time. Days after being widely reported as being in good spirits at Fox Hill Prison, disgraced FTX founder Sam Bankman-Fried is expected to reverse course on plans to fight extradition from the Bahamas. The former executive's legal team is expected in Bahamian court on Monday to waive its earlier notice, which came as bail was denied and an extradition hearing was set for February 8. Sam Bankman-Fried faces at least 8 criminal charges in the US, including wire fraud and conspiracy to commit money laundering. The Securities and Exchange Commission separately charged him with orchestrating a scheme to defraud equity investors in FTX. Bankman-Fried has been at Fox Hill for 4 days but had remained in the prison sick bay for evaluation. It is unclear when he will be assigned and transferred to his regular prison cell. The Nigerian government will reportedly soon pass a law that will recognize the usage of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as a means to keep up to date with global practices. The report stated that if the Investments and Securities Act 2007 bill is signed into law, it would allow the local Securities and Exchange Commission to recognize cryptocurrencies and other digital funds as capital for investment. The report comes almost 24 months after Nigeria banned crypto activity in February 2021, with the Central Bank of Nigeria ordering Nigerian crypto exchanges and service providers to cease activity and mandating banks to shutter the account of any individuals or entities found to be engaging in trading activities. If the law passes, amendments will be made to Nigeria's Investments and Security Act 2007. Carl Sebastian Greenwood, the co-founder of the multi-billion-dollar fraudulent cryptocurrency scheme OneCoin, has pleaded guilty to multiple charges brought forward by the United States Department of Justice and faces a maximum of 60 years in prison. The DOJ announced on December 16 that Greenwood submitted a guilty plea in Manhattan federal court to charges of wire fraud conspiracy and money laundering conspiracy, with each charge carrying a maximum potential sentence of 20 years in jail. U.S. Attorney Damian Williams said Greenwood operated one of the largest international fraud schemes ever perpetrated and claimed he touted OneCoin as the Bitcoin killer when in reality the tokens were entirely worthless. OneCoin was a Bulgarian company founded by Greenwood alongside crypto queen Ruja Ignatova that marketed a cryptocurrency by the same name. Emails obtained by the DOJ between the two before its founding in 2014 allege the pair called it a trashy coin. Ignatova was placed on the Federal Bureau of Investigation's top 10 most wanted list in June for her role in the scheme. She remains at large and was last known to have traveled to Athens, Greece in October 2017. Now let's go to Vishakha to get update on the 3 buzzing stocks of the day.
Cardano's native token ADA has once again risen to the top of the list of large asset holders purchases on the BNB chain network. According to Whalestats, the top 100 members of this investor group purchased ADA for an average of 10,308 tokens or $2,750 in the last 24 hours. BNB Chain Whales, of course, purchased the wrapped Cardano token, which currently accounts for 0.67% of their total portfolio. Their holdings total 19.34 million ADA, which is worth $5.15 million. According to BSC Scan, the number of Binance Spec Cardano token holders currently stands at 506,404 addresses and is growing. By comparison, back at the beginning of December, the number of these wallets was 6,000 fewer, which represents an increase of 1.1%. ADA was trading at $0.2645, down 1.36% in the past 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $9 billion. This week, the Shiba Inu token is up 13% against its main sector rival DogeCoin. This was the second week in a row that SHIB rose against Doge with a total gain of 24%. However, Shiba Inu token quotations had fallen by comparable figures against DogeCoin in the previous comparable period. The timer was interpreted by crypto enthusiasts as a signal for the release of Shibarium, Shiba Inu's own Layer 2 solution. Rumors of the long-awaited protocol's possible release have caused a price increase in another ecosystem token, Bone. Thus, its price increase today reached 38% at one point but then dropped by 14%. SHIB was trading at 3.12% down with a market capitalization of $4 billion. Orbion Protocol is a new investment platform that uses fractionalized NFTs to help users invest in startups. Each investor receives an F NFT, which serves as a representation of their investment and can be purchased for as little as $1. The Orbion Protocol's ORBN token, which will be available on Uniswap, is expected to further disrupt the market. Holders are eligible for governance rights on the platform, so the price of ORBN has already increased by 655%.
Thank you, Vishakha. Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. For more such updates, please like, share and subscribe to 3.0 TV. Have a great day.